फिर लौट आया रूबरू मिस्टर इंडिया, जिसके 2025 सीजन के रिहर्सल के लिए दिव्या अग्रवाल ने करवाया एक खास फोटोशूट, जहां वो नजर आए इस बॉडीकॉन ड्रेस में, जिसमें वो लग रही है बिल्कुल बोल्ड और शीक। आइए देखते इस फोटोशूट के कुछ खास नज़ारे।
2004, it's 2025 right now, 21 years association with more than 15 international title, highest getting ranking in international, highest title. So we made a record all over the world. So I feel very proud, and I think we are the only pageant to run for 21 years, continue, and by God's grace will continue more. So I feel very proud that we are doing something for male pageantry, where male pageantry in India is completely dead compared to female. Female still you have an option, but male you have very less options. So I feel it's a proud moment, Parul, because we have increased the age limit also now till 40. Married men also can fulfill their dreams. Even a physical challenge or special people can apply for it. So we have a lot of categories. So I feel talent doesn't have age, height or something. It should be given to everyone. So that's what my focus is. Definitely the deserving one. It's been 3 months we have been trained. Amit, Vishal, Manav, इसके creative design. So सबने बहुत मेहनत की है, और मैम तो अभी कर
मैं तो
रही
सिर्फ
हैं।
लास्ट में आई हूँ बस,
But still,
just here for the glam.
और इस बार वेब सीरीज भी हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, अमित ने पूरा डायरेक्ट किया. सो इट्स ऑल देयर हार्ड वर्क व्हिच इज बीन कमिंग अप नाउ.
It's just मैंने सोचा मिस्टर रूबरू मिस्टर इंडिया हो रहा है, तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी थोड़े अपने मिस इंडिया वाले क्वालिटीज मेरे पुराने थे. So I really worked out really hard to look this, and I'm actually glad. I wanted to share one thing about Pankaj. I really met him, and इन्होंने मुझे invite दिया बड़े प्यार से बहुत प्यार से hamper बना के भेजा. And then I asked him, like, why do you do this? Is it important? I mean, because I know the kind of money that goes in, I know the kind of effort that goes in. And his simple answer was कि यार लड़कों के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे country में जहाँ पे they can, you know, represent themselves, show their talent, show their skills on ramp. So I think this is a very good cause. That is the only reason why I'm here, and obviously it's also Amit Khanna. You'll always see me tailing around him. So I think there's so much energy of talent and so much energy of goodwill that you want to work for this again and again. I think बहुत लोगों की दुआएं हैं. 21st edition है. You know, we'll do more and more editions. अभी तक नहीं. I've just met them today, and I'm quite impressed with the kind of selection these guys have pulled it off. And I am going to give them some tips, yes, for sure. Tomorrow I'm pretty excited because I think this one would be the first ever male pageant where I'll be a part of it, and it's always fun to see a male pageant. हम तो देखते रहते लड़कियों का pageant. This would be something unique and nice. First May grand finale, Rubaru Mr. India. You all are invited. Thank you so much, and wishing all the best to all our contestants. कर लेगा?
क्या तैयारी चल रहा है?
तैयारी तो देखो, it's their day honestly. जो लड़कों का दिन है, हमारे contestants का दिन है. But वैसे तो आपको मैं मिलती रहती हूँ ऐसे रैम्प्स में हर जगह. तो कल इनका दिन है, कल मैं कुछ नहीं करने. कल I'm gonna enjoy as a spectator.
मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।